So the one-handed unboxing from Viale Bianca Maria 224550 Italy. So it does come from Italy and it went through Belgium somehow and now it's here. That's the import documents. 225 USD. Yeah, $300 Canadian it cost me. So, oh, look at that. It's a box within a box and it's upside down. It's a box in a box. Let's take this box out. There we go. Girotti. One and only. Girotti. Let's see my nice new box of Girotti shoes. Let's see if they're at least the right size, the right model, yeah, look at that. That's a nice shoe. Oh yeah. There's one and two. I believe that's a leather sole. It's all leather. Might be a wood piece here in the middle here, but it's all, oh, might be a little slim piece of wood in the middle. It's a three layer sole. There you go. Nice shoes. Guess what my favorite color is? Okay, a pause and I'll be right back. Oh, nice shoes! They're a perfect fit as well. Very nice Girotti. Yeah, exactly like it was on the internet. And I'm going to polish them with some blue polish, which is going to probably make them a little darker blue, more kind of navy blue kind of thing, and it'll be just perfect. Just perfect. Perfect shoes. Perfect shoes. I'm so happy. They were a little more expensive than I was expecting, but they are worth it. The fit, I rarely had a pair of shoes that fit so well. They're always a little tight or a little loose somewhere here or there. These are perfect. These are perfect. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Girotti. Thank you, Girotti.